Dear students, good morning and namaste. It's me Arjun Pokhrel, science teacher of Sagarmatha Secondary School. Welcome to you all in my online class. Today I am here with another video of the online class of the class 9 science, and the name of the chapter is solubility. My dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. You all are healthy and you all are staying at your home, and I hope you all are watching my class regularly. Today I am going to discuss about supersaturated solution. In the previous classes, we discussed about unsaturated and saturated solution. Okay, in the preceding classes, we discussed about unsaturated and saturated solution. Now, I am going to discuss the another type of the solution, that is supersaturated. Okay, supersaturated solution, and for this, I am going to discuss about one activity. Okay, I am going to explain about the supersaturated solution with the help of one activity. Okay, for this activity, here you can see three beakers. Okay, prepare saturated solution of salt and water. Heat that solution in spirit lamp or with the help of any other source. Okay, and while heating, keep adding salt and stir with a rod. Okay, after some time salt stops dissolving or not absorb it. Okay, and now stop adding salt and cool the solution. Okay, after some time salt stops dissolving or not. Okay, observe it, and now stop adding salt and cool the solution. Okay, after sometimes salt stops dissolving or not, observe it. Okay, for this I have one beaker. Suppose this is beaker, and this is the beaker containing water. Okay, here this is the beaker containing water, and I am going to do a simple experiment now. Okay, अब म एउटा सानो एक्सपेरिमेन्ट गर्न गइरहेको छु. यहाँ चाहिँ नुनले गरिरहेको छ, तर म यहाँ के भन्छ चिनीले गर्न गइरहेको छु. Okay, with the help of sugar. Okay, this water is the solvent. Okay, because it dissolves solute. Okay, this water is the solvent because it dissolves solute. Okay, solute may be sugar, may be salt, चिनी हुन सक्छ, कपर सल्फेट हुन सक्छ, अथवा salt हुन सक्छ, जे पनि हुन सक्छ solute, हैन. Solute is that substance which get dissolved in solution. Okay, which get dissolved in solution, that substance is known as solute. Okay, this is the suppose beaker containing water, and this is the solvent. Okay, solute plus solvent solution. Okay, solute plus solvent solution. Okay, now I am going to make a solution here. Okay, okay, this is sugar. Okay, and I am going to make sugar solution here. Okay, okay, sugar solution. Okay, sugar is dissolving in the water. Here this sugar is dissolving in the water. Okay, dissolving. Okay, I am going to dissolve it. Okay, dissolve. I am going to dissolve it. Okay, it takes time. केही समय लाग्छ, तर यो डिजल्भ हुँदै जान्छ. ओके, अथवा यसमा अलिकति थोरै पानी थप्दिउँ, सल्भेन्ट थप्दिउँ. ठीक छ. ओके, ओके, इट इज डिजल्भिङ. ओके, ओके, इट इज डिजल्भिङ. इट टेक्स टाइम. केही समय त लागिहाल्छ, हैन. ओके, चिया पकाउँदाखेरि चिनी त हालेकै छ, कति समय लाग्छ चिया बनाउँदाखेरि. ओके, ल ठीक छ, अब चाहिँ डिजल्भ भइसक्यो. ओके, नाउ इट इज कम्प्लिटली डिजल्भड. अब यो कस्तो सोलुसन हो भन्दा दिस इज अनस्याचुरेटेड सोलुसन. किन भन्दा अझै मैले सुगर थपेँ भने पनि यो अझै डिजल्भ हुँदैछ. ओके न, भनेपछि व्हाट टाइप अफ सोलुसन इज दिस? unsaturated solution. Okay, this is what unsaturated, completely dissolved in the water. Okay, you cannot see here sugar crystal. यसमा हामी सुगर को क्रिस्टल देख्न सक्दैन. अब मैले यसमा अझै अलिकति सुगर थपिहालेँ र यसलाई अझ डिजल्भ गराउन खोजेँ. Okay, it takes time. takes time and I'm going to dissolve it. Okay. I'm going to dissolve. अब चाहिँ डिजल्भ होला जस्तो छैन है, ठीक छ। लिमिटेड सल्भेन्टमा जति सोल्युट हाल्यो भने पनि त्यो सबै डिजल्भ हुँदैन। ओके, लिमिटेड अमाउन्ट अफ सोल्युट मात्रै डिजल्भ हुन्छ, जसलाई हामी सोलुबिलिटी भनेर भन्छौँ। त्यो नेक्स्ट क्लासमा हामी पढ्छौँ। अहिले चाहिँ यति हेरौँ। ओके, अब यो वाटरमा के छ, लगभग यो सोल्युट अब डिजल्भ नहुने कन्डिसनमा पुग्यो। ओके, अब के छ, सोल्युट डिजल्भ नहुने कन्डिसनमा भयो। एन्ड हियर यु क्यान सी क्रिस्टल, ओके, सुगर क्रिस्टल हियर इन द स्पोन। ओके, नाउ दिस सोल्युसन इज द स्याचुरेटेड सोल्युसन। ओके, अब मैले यहाँ सुगर हालेँ भने यहाँ डिजल्भै हुँदैन, किन भन्दा यो लिमिट पुगिसक्यो यसको, ठिक छ, स्याचुरेटेड। नाउ इट बिकम्स स्याचुरेटेड सोल्युसन। अब मैले यसमा अझै सुगर हालेर अझै डिजल्भ गराउनको लागि म के गर्ने भन्दा आई हेभ टु सप्लाई हिट। ओके, आई हेभ टु सप्लाई वाट, हिट विथ द हेल्प अफ स्प्रिट ल्याम्प। सपोज ओके, दिस इज द स्प्रिट ल्याम्प, ठिक छ। यो एउटा स्प्रिट ल्याम्प छ, यो खासमा के छ, सेनिटाइजर छ। अब यो स्प्रिट ल्याम्पले बढी मैले तलबाट के गरेँ, सपोज बर्नरबाट मैले यसरी राखेर ओके यहाँबाट हिट गरिहालेँ सपोज भने के हुन्छ भन्दा यसमा अझ मैले अलिकति अझै सुगर डिजल्भ गर्न सक्छु। ओके, आई क्यान डिजल्भ मोर सुगर हियर। ओके, देन दिस सोल्युसन इज द सुपर स्याचुरेटेड सोल्युसन, नट ओन्ली स्याचुरेटेड, सुपर स्याचुरेटेड सोल्युसन। ओके, देन आफ्टर it is super saturated solution which is made at higher temperature is known as the super saturated solution. चिया पकाउँदाखेरि जति हामी आगो अलिकति त्यो फ्लेम बढाउँछौँ त्यति के हुन्छ, चाँडो चिनी डिजल्भ भइहाल्छ। ओके न, स्याचुरेटेड सोल्युसन which is made at higher temperature is known as the super saturated solution. ओके, अब यसको काम सकिहाल्यो। अब यसको काम छ चिया बनाएर खाने। ओके, prepare saturated solution of salt and water. Okay, first of all here I have made sugar and water. Okay, and heat that solution in spirit lamp or with the help of any other source. पहिले saturated बनाइहाल्ने, त्यसपछि पल्ल हिट गर्ने। Okay, while heating keep adding salt and stir with a rod. Okay, मैले यहाँ केले स्टिर गरेँ, स्पोनले स्टिर गरेँ, यो राखिसकेपछि ठिक छ। आफ्टर समटाइम्स साल्ट स्टप्स डिजल्भिङ अर नट, अब्जर्भ इट। एकछिनपछि डिजल्भ हुन छोड्दैन, अब्जर्भ गर्ने, हामीले अब्जर्भ गरिहाल्यौँ, एकछिनपछि डिजल्भ हुन छोड्यो। ओके, नाउ स्टप एडिङ साल्ट एन्ड कुल द सोल्युसन। ओके, एन्ड कुल द सोल्युसन, द्याट इज द एक्टिभिटी। एन्ड दिस सोल्युसन सो मेड इज द सुपर स्याचुरेटेड सोल्युसन। स्याचुरेटेड भन्दा पनि सुपर भयो। ओके, सुपर भयो, अझ माथि पुग्यो यो स्याचुरेटेड भन्दा पनि, त्यही भएर यसलाई हामी के भन्छौँ, सुपर स्याचुरेटेड सोल्युसन। ओके, सो इन नर्मल स्टेट द सोल्युसन वेयर मोर सोल्युट हेज बिन डिजल्भड। ओके, यसको डिजल्भिङ गर्ने त 1 स्पुन मात्रै क्यापेसिटी थियो होला, हामीले 2 स्पुन हालेर अझै डिजल्भ गराइदियौँ, ठिक छ। द सोल्युसन वेयर मोर सोल्युट हेज बिन डिजल्भड देन द सोल्युट, okay, that can dissolve is called super saturated solution or the saturated solution at a higher temperature. Okay, that holds excessively more solute, okay, than the required amount for a saturated solution at that temperature is called super saturated solution. Saturated solution at higher temperature, okay, that holds excessively more solute, okay, than the required amount for a saturated solution. Okay, at that temperature is called a super saturated solution. Here you can see, okay, first unsaturated solution, okay, first saturated solution, यो saturated बनाइसक्यौँ हामीले। देन आफ्टर अब saturated solutionलाई हामी हिट दियौँ भने ठिक छ, अब के हुन्छ भन्दा त्यहाँ अझै सोल्युटहरू हाल्न सकिन्छ। किन त्यस्तो हुन्छ भन्दा हिट गरिसकेपछि त्यो इन्टरमोलिकुलर डिस्टेन्स पनि अलिकति बढ्दै जान्छ, ठिक छ। इन्टरमोलिकुलर डिस्टेन्स बढिसकेपछि मोर सोल्युट क्यान बी एडजस्टेड। Okay, so this is what super saturated solution. Okay, super saturated solution, saturated solution which is made at higher temperature, that is known as super saturated solution. Now my dear students, a way of identifying solution. अब जस्तै यस्तो बिकरमा तीनवटा बिकरमा हामीलाई यो स्याचुरेटेड हो, यो अनस्याचुरेटेड हो, अथवा यो सुपर स्याचुरेटेड हो, तिमीलाई छुट्याऊ। Okay, which one is the saturated? which one is the super saturated and which one is the unsaturated solution, identify भनेर दियो भने हामी कसरी गर्ने, way of identifying solution. Okay, if 3 beakers with salt solution are given, to identify them as unsaturated solution and super saturated solution, unsaturated, saturated and super saturated solution. Okay, then add 1 pinch of solute in each beaker. यसरी 3 वटा beaker मा राख्दियो भने तिमी के गर्ने, लगभग 1 चम्चा जति त्यसमा हाल्दियौ, सबैमा हाल्दियौ, चेक गर्न पर्यो नि, अब त्यतिकै हेरेर त थाहा हुँदैन, ओके न, डिजल्भ हुन्छ हुँदैन त्यो त चेक गर्नु पर्यो. ओके, इफ it is salt water solution, okay, then add 1 pinch of salt. If it is sugar water solution, then add 1 pinch of sugar, okay, and stir with the help of glass rod or the spoon. In which solution more solute is dissolved, observe it. कुन solution मा हाल्दाखेरि solute dissolve भइरहेको छ, कुनमा dissolve भएन, त्यतिकै बसिरहेको छ, observe it. Okay, now if solute dissolves, then it is unsaturated solution. Okay, if solute dissolves in this, then it is unsaturated solution, this solution. Okay, then what? Unsaturated solution, this solution, first solution. तिमी सुगर हाल्देऊ, dissolve भइहाल्छ भनेपछि you can say this one is the unsaturated solution. Okay, you can easily identify unsaturated solution. Now our duty is to identify saturated and super saturated solution. Then how can we identify saturated and super saturated? If the amount of solute that was added remains same, okay, but did not dissolve, it is, then it is called saturated solution. अब तिमीले 1 चम्चा त्यो सोलुसनमा के भन्छ चिनी राख्यौ, त्यो 1 चम्चा नै त्यहाँ छ, ठीक छ. If the amount of solute that was added remains same, okay, but did not dissolve in it, then it is called saturated solution. Okay, then it is called what? Saturated solution. Likewise, if the amount of solute increases, अब तिमीले हालेको 1 चम्चा चिनी भन्दा त्यहाँ 1 चम्चा भन्दा अलिकति धेरै नै चिनी भइहाल्यो, okay, then added, then it is called what? Super saturated solution. Okay, my dear students, I think you have understood how can we identify, okay, which one is the saturated solution, which one is the unsaturated solution, and which one is the super saturated solution. ठीक छ. अब तिमीलाई बिकरमा राख्दियो भने, वाटर राख्दियो, अब सुगर सोलुसन राख्दियो भने तिमी अब पत्ता लगाइहाल्छौ कि यसमा सुगर के छ, अनस्याचुरेटेड छ, यो स्याचुरेटेड छ, यो सुपर स्याचुरेटेड छ. Okay, I think you have understood. My dear students, now here you can see the difference between saturated solution and super saturated solution. Okay, in this solution no more solute can dissolve at the given temperature. Okay, at a particular temperature. टेम्परेचर बढायो भने त फेरि डिजल्भ हुन सक्छ, त्यो छुट्टै कुरा छ, त्यो सोलुबिलिटीमा हामी फेरि पढ्छौं. ओके, अहिले हामी सोलुबिलिटीमा पुगिसकेका छैन, हामी यो सोलुसनको बारेमा मात्रै पढिरहेछौं. In this solution no more solute can dissolve at given temperature. Okay, that is saturated. In this saturated solution, the saturated solution prepared at higher temperature, that is super saturated. Okay, यो के भयो, सुपर डुपर भइहाल्यो, ठीक छ. It does not change concentration when it comes in contact of a solute. यसको concentration मा कुनै पनि चेन्ज आउँदैन, सोलुट राख्दियो भने पनि त्यो यसको concentration, वाटर concentration सेम नै रहन्छ, तर यसमा के हुन्छ, concentration decreases. Okay, its concentration decreases when it comes in contact of a solute. सोलुट को contact मा आयो भने यसको के हुन्छ, concentration के हुन्छ, decrease हुँदै जान्छ. Okay, in super saturated solution no change in concentration in the saturated solution. My dear students, one student have asked me in my Facebook Messenger, okay, to explain this paragraph. Okay, एकजना स्टुडेन्टले मलाई यो प्याराग्राफ सर अलि क्लियर भएन भनेर मेसेन्जरमा सोधेको थियो, तिम्रो क्लासकै साथी ले, र त्यही भएर म यसलाई फेरि अलिकति एक्सप्लेन गर्न लागिरहेको छु. र यो सुपर स्याचुरेटेड सोलुसन मैले अहिले क्लासमा पढाएको पनि थिइन, त्यही भएर पनि अलिकति क्लियर भएन होला. फेरि हेरौँ. Take some amount of saturated solution in a beaker and heat the beaker gently. Okay, suppose this is saturated solution and this solution is heated from here, okay, slowly, and add little amount of sugar in a beaker, okay, containing the saturated solution with increasing temperature. अब यसको के गर्ने भन्दा अझै हिट धेरै दिइसकेपछि यसको टेम्परेचर के हुन्छ, बढ्दै जान्छ. ठीक छ. Take some amount of saturated solution in beaker first of all and heat the beaker gently. ठीक छ. Take some amount of saturated solution in beaker and heat the beaker gently. Add a little amount of sugar in the beaker. Okay, add a little amount of sugar in the beaker. Okay, containing the saturated solution with increasing temperature. Temperature कसरी बढाउने भन्दा अझ हिट बढाएर. ठीक छ. You will see the additional sugar gets dissolved. Temperature बढाइसकेपछि त के हुन्छ, more solute can be adjusted because intermolecular distance increases, okay, between the molecules. That's why more solute can be dissolved. What type of solution is this? This is the homogeneous solution. This is not heterogeneous solution. यो चिनी पानीको मैले टेस्ट यो पिँधबाट पानी लिए भने पनि बराबर टेस्ट हुन्छ, माथिको पानी लिए भने पनि उही नै टेस्ट हुन्छ. Okay, no difference in the taste. Okay, here, okay, particles are distributed uniformly throughout the solution, throughout this mixture. Okay, so this is homogeneous solution. Okay, you will see that additional sugar gets dissolved. Continue this process by dissolving the sugar more and more by keeping the definite volume of solution. Okay, अझै एड गर्दै जाने ठीक छ. After some time we can see that no more sugar dissolves in the solution. अब जति हाले पनि डिजल्भ त भइरहन्छ, not possible. जति हिट गरे पनि हुँदैन, फेरि हिट गरे भनेर अब हिट पनि बढाउँदै जाने, यो पनि त हुँदैन. ठीक छ. After some time we can see that no more sugar dissolves in the solution. Then cool that saturated solution in cold water. Okay, अब यसलाई हिट गरिरहेको छ भनेपछि त यसमा धेरै सुगर हामीले डिजल्भ गराउन सक्यौं. ठीक छ. अब यसलाई हिट गर्न छोड्दिने. हिट गर्न छोड्ने बित्तिकै यसको त के छ, अब टेम्परेचर घट्दै जाने भयो. अहिले पो टेम्परेचर बढी थियो. ठीक छ. After some time we can see that no more sugar dissolves in the solution. Then cool the saturated solution in cold water. The solution crystallizes less amount of solute and the solution holds more amount of solute. अब यसलाई कुल गर्न थालिसकेपछि अब यसमा जति सुरुमा क्रिस्टल यहाँ थियो सुगरको त्यो भन्दा धेरै क्रिस्टल हुन्छ, किन भन्दा यो सुपर स्याचुरेटेड त थियो सुरुमा. ओके न. अब यो के भइरहेको छ, सुपर स्याचुरेटेड सोलुसन त हायर टेम्परेचरमा बनाइएको थियो, अब त टेम्परेचर घट्यो भनेपछि इट क्यान नट होल्ड मोर सोलुट, इट क्यान नट डिजल्भ मोर सोलुट. ओके न. हायर टेम्परेचरमा पो हायर सोलुट डिजल्भ भयो. अब टेम्परेचर कुल हुँदै गइसकेपछि त त्यो सोलुट त्यही आउनु परेन फेरि. ठीक छ. पहिला डिजल्भ भइसकेको पनि फेरि डिजल्भ हुँदैन टेम्परेचर घटेपछि. Understand? The solution crystallizes less amount of solute and the solution holds more amount. Okay, the solution crystallizes, okay, less amount of solute and the solution holds more amount of solute than the required amount of solute for saturated solution at the temperature. Then it is a super saturated solution. Higher temperature मा बनाएकोलाई solution हामी के भन्छौं, super saturated solution. Thus the solution formed by cooling a hot saturated solution, okay, fast is a super saturated solution. And here you can see definition. Hence the solution, okay, saturated solution at higher temperature that holds excessively more solute than the required amount. Okay, for a saturated solution at that temperature is called super saturated solution. Okay, so my dear students, in this class we discussed about super saturated solution with the help of one activity, and we also discussed about the way of identifying unsaturated, saturated and super saturated solution. I hope you have understood about this, and we also discussed about one activity, okay, related to super saturated solution. And again here you can see the solution where more solute has been dissolved than the solute, okay, that can dissolve is called super saturated solution, or the saturated solution at higher temperature simply. Okay, saturated solution at higher temperature that holds excessively more solute than the required. Okay, त्यसले धेरै सोलुटलाई डिजल्भ गराउन सक्छ. ओके, भने त्यसलाई हामी के भन्छौं, सुपर saturated solution. Okay, my dear students, thank you for watching. Stay at home, maintain social distance. Okay, stay healthy, stay happy, and make your life more productive. Thank you. Bye bye. Namaste.